Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today I'm going to show you how you can reuse, refill these trendy little hand sanitizers. So what we'll need are the empty containers, some generic hand sanitizer that you probably bought in bulk, and possibly, if you are interested in making your own scents, some essential oils. Let's get started. Now, if you are like me, you probably have bought these cute little containers and might have actually bought into the whole holder set. Okay, so you spend, I don't know, $1, a couple of dollars. Sometimes they have them for the holidays, and you buy into the whole program of getting these cute little hand sanitizers, and they have such wonderful scents and they're so handy. You can latch this onto your purse. Here's the problem. To get these, you can buy 5 of them for $6. It sounds like a plan, right? Sounds like a deal, but not really. These retail for $2, so you get tricked into believing that you're actually getting a really good deal on this. But you know, you can see how small it is, and if you have children, you could go through this really fast. This same company, just a matter of maybe 5 years, they had this, and I had bought into this hand sanitizer system, and you can see it's a completely different container, different design. Bought into this, same thing. Now these were $1.50 each, and I'm sure at the time it was the same idea. Buy this in bulk for a certain amount of money. Sounds like a deal? Not really. So instead of falling into the money trap, I am going to show you what you can do. Yes, these scents are great, but sometimes they could be a little overwhelming. You just twist this cap off. At first, it will be hard to turn, and you would feel like this is impossible. But if you put a little effort in it, you get someone who has really good hand strength, and you could pop this off. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my generic hand sanitizer, and it's very simple. You just lock it up, line it up, and you could just let it dribble on in. Now, if you catch your empty hand sanitizer at the right moment where you still have some of the other scent inside, when you put in your basic plain scent sanitizer, you will pick up the scent. I don't know if you can see, but there's these little flecks that are in there, and it still has the original scent, and it's a eucalyptus tea blend. It sounds great. So as you can see, it's very simple as that. Takes a little patience. Once you are done, you just snap on the lid like so. And you can continue using the cute little accessories that you had bought, and you have just saved yourself some money. Now, if you are a person who is really, there we go, fit it in. All right, so there we go, ready to go. Now, if you're a person who's really committed to scents, you can purchase these essential oils. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you see that there are many different essential oils that you can purchase. This is just a few that I have. And you see this is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a very antiseptic property, and it has a very antiseptic scent. So you use very little of this, but it will just boost the cleaning power, or not necessarily the cleaning power, but the antibacterial power of what you put in your hand sanitizer. I will have a list of different recipes that you can put that'll be listed down below. And if you are interested and if you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, leave one down below. So until next time.